Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hide apps on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. First, open Settings and search for Hide Apps. Here we have this option, so go into it. Choose from the list the applications you want to hide. For example, Google Photos or TikTok. Read the instruction message on how to view hidden apps, then tap Got it. Select your apps. I'll choose TikTok and YouTube Music. Now the hidden apps are set. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.